Mathematics is one of the oldest and most fundamental disciplines in human history. It is the science of numbers, shapes, and patterns, and it is used in virtually every field of study, from economics to engineering. Mathematics has been studied since ancient times, and its importance has been recognized throughout the centuries. The ancient Greeks and Egyptians were the first to use mathematics for practical purposes, such as measuring land, building bridges, and calculating time. Mathematics is the language of science and engineering, and it is used to describe physical phenomena and to solve problems. Mathematics is used to model, analyze, and understand systems in many different contexts. It is used to analyze data, find patterns, and make predictions. Mathematics is also used to create computer programs, analyze financial markets, and model social networks. Mathematics is a tool that helps us to understand the world around us. It is used to make sense of complex phenomena and to develop solutions to difficult problems. Mathematics is used in the sciences to explain the behavior of physical systems and to develop new theories. It is used in engineering to design and construct buildings and machines, to develop new technologies, and to analyze the performance of existing systems. Mathematics is also used in economics to understand the behavior of markets and to develop models for predicting future trends. Mathematics is a language that is used to communicate ideas and to express relationships between different concepts. It is used to develop models and theories that help us to understand the world around us. Mathematics helps us to think logically and to solve problems. It is also used to create new technologies and to develop new ways of thinking. Mathematics is a creative pursuit. Mathematicians explore the unknown, discovering and developing new ideas and theories. They use mathematics to explore the laws of nature, to understand the behavior of physical systems, and to solve problems in a variety of fields. Mathematicians use their creativity and problem-solving skills to develop new theories and to advance our understanding of the world. Mathematics is a fascinating and rewarding field of study. It is a subject that can be enjoyed by anyone, regardless of their background. Studying mathematics can open up a world of possibilities and can provide a fascinating insight into the world around us. It can help us to think logically and to solve problems, and it can provide a valuable tool for understanding the behavior of physical systems.